These are the elevators at the Franklin Exchange Building in Tampa, Florida. Check them out. We've got 6 of them, and they all have these this car up lanterns. There's your call station. So you got that one that says this car up, and another one over there. Some of these actually go down. I think we're gonna go down first. Let's go basement. Basement is just a parking level, as you can see. Now let's go. Whoa. Okay, we're gonna come back down here again. So we're going to 22. Here we are at 22. Hi. There's like a desk out there. Someone was out there, so we're probably not going to go back up to 22. But as you can hear, it still has the bells. And also there's the old indicator. You can't really see it well, but it goes all the way from B to 22. And there are your fixtures, Adams buttons. You know what? Let's call one from down here. It almost sounds like a bike bell. And as you can see, only 2 of the 6 elevators come down here. We're gonna call it one more time and listen to that bell. Nice. And as you can see, it says Westinghouse. We're gonna go at 21, 20. Okay, we can't do 21, we can do 20. We're at 20. Yeah, that's a Westinghouse interlock up there. We're gonna go down to basement. Here's your inspection certificate. We're gonna switch cars down on the basement. Here's your cab view. Not sure what year this building was built, but I'll put it in the description. Send it up a floor. Again, that is a very nice bell. Are these on separate controllers? Interesting. You've got your floor mat that says the Wilson Company, and you have the same bell. Oh, you know, this might be the service elevator. Yeah, take a look at that. It's obviously pretty worn, and it has a different type of buttons too. Let's go, let's go 22, why not? There was someone up there, but I'm sure it won't be a problem. Whoa. Oh. Did we just get stuck in here? Oh, that scared me so much. All right. We're going to 22. Yeah, because these elevators are kind of fast. It felt like we were free falling for a second. I know these elevators can't like free fall, they have safety brakes, but still. Westinghouse. No one's at the desk now. Alright, there's your certificate. Here is your cab view. Again, it's not the nicest cab, but it does the job, I guess. Alright, we're gonna end it at ground. Alright.